How can a stuffed shirt help supersize your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with a stuffed shirt, of course, because our idiom today is stuffed shirt. Now, a stuffed shirt means a self-important person who shows a lot of phony dignity. So you're thinking, and I was thinking, how the heck do you use this to grow and supersize and build your business? How can you use it, something that really is phony or not authentic, to grow and build your business? William Shakespeare actually had a similar saying that he used about a stuffed man, a stuffed person, somebody who thought they were so important that they puffed themselves up to feel bigger and more important than they actually probably were, and especially than they were probably perceived to be from other people. I would call that a pompous ASS, but it's up to you to decide what you call a person that behaves in that manner. It wasn't until the early 1900s that stuffed shirt became the terminology, and maybe because of the alliteration S&S, stuffed shirt instead of stuffed man, became just a more popular way of describing this type of behavior. So anybody that acts in a really pompous, arrogant, cocky, kind of obnoxious, entitled, superior, self-important, bragging, I guess, way, and feels like they're better than other people in some way, shape, or form, is kind of a stuffed shirt. Now, how do you not be a stuffed shirt to grow and build your business? Because guess what? People can see, we human beings can see through false bravado and nonsense a mile away. Think of politicians, famous people, rock stars, movie stars, religious leaders in any area. We can tell if they really care about us or not, or if they're being authentic. We just have this stuffed shirt or phony radar that we know if people are being real with us or not. So don't confuse confidence and promoting your business and being proud of your accomplishments with and bragging with promoting your business in a positive way that just demonstrates and shows people all of the things that you can do for them. If you keep your customers and the people that work in your organization the focus of your attention instead of yourself, it's especially hard when people are solopreneurs or they're just getting started, because you want to go out and you want to tell the world how awesome you are. But it's always more powerful to get testimonials and stories and case studies from people that have had experience with you and let them tell the world how awesome you are. Be real, be authentic, treat people the way you want to be treated. I'm starting to feel like a broken record this year, because in 2020, I have probably said treat people the way you want to be treated more than I have in the past 10 years combined. But genuinely care about the people that you're serving with your products and your services. Genuinely want to help them and want to serve them, and you'll never be perceived as a stuffed shirt. If you treat people the way you want to be treated, if you handle customer service in ways that you would expect customer service to be handled and customer experience and interactions to be handled for you, you really can't go astray, right? Because you're attracting people that are like you. So you treat people the way you want to be treated. So stuffed shirt, have you ever met one? Have you ever been one? Have you ever kind of puffed yourself up and been a little more important? And in some situations, we need to sing our praises. Think in a job interview. If you go into a job interview and they ask you questions and you're not going to talk about your accomplishments, you're going to be in trouble. But there's a difference between positively presenting your accomplishments and bragging. And it's in the tone. It's in the way we communicate. And all of us know it when we see it. We know it when we feel it. And that's what's going to be the true test of whether we're using the stuffed shirt in a positive way or a negative way in our organization. That's it. Go out, have an absolutely amazing, fantastic day, and look for stuffed shirts. See if you can't see examples of it, and share it in the comments below. No names, of course, but talk about some situations where you see people behaving as if they are stuffed shirts. All right, have an awesome day. I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business right now?